When you look at some of the concerns out there, how much is trade is playing into it? And do you expect these trade tensions and trade wars to get worse?
Well, obviously, it's a volatile business environment out there, very much influenced by the trade tensions and the insecurity that follow from this. And we have seen that that is now influencing also the demand growth in our market segments.
How are you planning to boost shareholder return? I know you've had a number of setbacks. The company has before you joined. So what can you do to give something back to them?
Yeah, we have set a very clear agenda trying to address both the profitability issues and also driving sustainability. Obviously, to come back in Brazil has been very important to us, and that's the good news for this quarter, that we have actually been able to get the embargoes lifted in Brazil so that we can return to full production in our precious assets in Brazil. And then we're taking a strategic review of another business area, which is rolled products, which has been underperforming for quite some time. And then we are mobilizing the whole organization in terms of continuing improvements, in terms of operational efficiency, the commercial excellence, as well as the cost level, driving a very strict capital discipline now going forward, and working on the capital allocation framework to adjust to challenge the industry, but Hydro needs to. We will work on what we can influence to improve the situation.
But how much do you worry about the negative, price environment, the depressed price environment, and how difficult is it to actually, boost the returns by the way you laid out, given the prices are under pressure?
Yeah, we cannot do a lot with the prices, so we have to work on what we can influence, and that is to be robust in a situation where prices are low. And then we have to work on our cost positions, we have to work on our market positions, and to differentiate ourselves in the market with good products. Also now more and more focusing on the low carbon content.
I know you've been very cautious about demand for aluminium across the world. When do you expect it to actually pick up?
Well, I think that is very much about the global economy right now, where we see that the trade tensions are putting a pressure on the global economy. Obviously, China is extremely important for the aluminium industry, and the demand estimates for China is a question that we will, or an issue that we will follow very closely.